Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying model and current Android build. This matters because installs differ by unit. Once you confirm, back up your settings and paired devices to avoid losing profiles, and copy the update file to a FAT32 USB drive. Make sure the car battery is charged or a maintainer is attached. Unstable power can brick the head unit. Now insert the USB into the correct port and power the infotainment system while watching for the boot or update prompt to appear. Once in update mode, select Install from USB or the firmware package. You need to follow on-screen OEM prompts exactly because file order and reboots matter. The system may apply multiple packages. During installation, do not remove the USB drive or cut power. Interruption risks corruption. If the unit restarts multiple times, that's normal. Monitor progress and note any error codes or stalls. After completion, the system will finalize updates and return to setup screens. Make sure you complete any post-install. You finish by restoring your settings and repairing phones and devices so your profile and navigation preferences return. Make sure apps and map data are intact. Clear app caches if something misbehaves. If glitches persist, perform a factory reset. This often clears leftover conflicts, and reapply the update if necessary. If the head unit fails to boot or shows fatal errors, attempt recovery mode or the manufacturer's recovery tool. Otherwise, seek dealership or authorized service to avoid voiding warranties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.